In this video, I'm going to show you how to export animation in HiPaint. Now to do this, you first want to create your animation, so you can go to the top right, tap on the three dots, and then from here, if you scroll down, you can find Animation Assist. So simply tap on that, and it's going to pop up down at the bottom, and then of course from here, you can create your animation. So I'll just draw like a smiley face over here, a bit of a fail, but you get the point. And then whenever you've done your animation, I'm just going to leave it like it is over here. You simply have to press, there's a few buttons up top at the bottom. As you can see, there's like, of course, this menu, and there's the plus button, the cogwheel, etc. Now, the second to last one to the left of the X button, there's going to be like a share button. So tap on that. And from here, as you can see, you have three options of exports. I'm just going to go and tap on the first one to export as a GIF. And then there we go. It's going to export to my album. Okay, you could use any of these three ways, but that's essentially how to export an animation in HiPaint. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.